Protecting your home. FHA loans are insured by the FHA, which simply means that the owners of your mortgage are protected against loss if you default on your loan. FHA loans are available with low down payments options and lower minimum credit score limits, but you shall also have to pay mortgage insurance. What is the downside to FHA loan? How to protect your home? FHA loans are sometimes viewed as less favorable than conventional loans in a competitive market. You could end up paying more over the long term. Your interest rate may be lower, but your APR, which is the annual cost of the loan, can sometimes be higher than conventional loans. How successful is the FHA and protect your home? Among its many achievements, FHA modernized the American mortgage system, improved the quality of the nation's housing stock, prevented millions of Americans from losing their homes, allowed millions more to purchase their first home, and financed the construction of millions of modestly priced rental. You apply for an FH loan directly with the bank or other lender that you choose. Most banks and mortgage lenders are approved for FHA loans. You can apply for a pre-approval of an FHA loan with the lender you choose. The lender will gather enough financial information to issue a pre-approval within a day or so. That will give you an idea of how much you can borrow while not committing yourself to anything. All of the above is true for any mortgage application. If you want an FHA loan, you should say that upfront. FHA loan requirements, guidelines, and application. The FHA ensures each mortgage closed by an FHA approved lender with both an upfront mortgage premium and an ongoing amount. Is it easy to get an FHA loan? In most cases, yes, it is easier to get an FHA loan compared to a conventional loan. The FHA loan program flexible guidelines provide borrowers who have less than perfect credit and little saving with assured at home ownership so they can build wealth and a foundation of stability of their families. What will disqualify you for an FHA loan and protect your home? The major factors that can disqualify you for an FHA loan are low credit, high DTI, and a history of defaulting on federal debt. Federal debt includes student loans, SBA, VA, and USDA loans, and unpaid child support. You shall also have to show that you have enough cash to meet the minimum down payment requirement. FHA loan consumer financial protection bureau. FHA loans are loans from private lenders that are regulated and insured by the Federal Housing Administration. What you need to know about FHA loan: mortgage insurance protect the lender. You cannot make your payments. If you have an FHA loan, you must have mortgage. FHA loan requirements in 2023. FHA insured loans requirement mortgage insurance to protect lenders against losses that result from default on home. FH loan, what are they and how do they work? FH loans are government insured mortgages with less rigorous criteria for borrowers to meet, but they are not. Federal Housing Administration FHA mortgage insurance protects lenders against losses if a property owner defaults on their mortgage. We shall pay a claim to the. Is an FHA loan right for you? Find out if an FHA loan is right for you by learning how it works, the downsides, the requirements is great. How to protect your home? The FHA loans. Federal Housing Administration mortgage insurance protects if a property owner defaults on the mortgage. FHA loan motive with less rigorous criteria for buyers to meet if they are not. Insurance protect lenders against losses that result from defaults on home. FHA insured loans require mortgage. What you need to know about the FHA loan. If you have an FHA loan, must have mortgage. Mortgage insurance protects the lender if you cannot make your payment.